We are tracking explosive courtroom developments that have left observers stunned and briefly disrupted proceedings. During a 10-session hearing, General Mkhwanazi delivered statements that sharply challenged prevailing narratives in the widely discussed Cat Matlala matter, prompting audible reactions, legal objections, and swift intervention by court officials. The atmosphere was charged, and the stakes were unmistakably high. Before we unpack what was said and why it matters, subscribe to the channel now and turn on notifications because this story is moving fast and every detail is important. Those present described a moment where routine procedure gave way to palpable tension. As Cat Matlala addressed the court, his remarks appeared to strike directly at contested issues that have long fueled speculation. Lawyers leaned forward, spectators murmured, and the bench was forced to restore order. As proceedings resumed, it was clear that something significant had just occurred, something that could reshape understanding of the case. According to accounts from the session, General Mkhwanazi focused on clarifying timelines, communications, and investigative decisions that had previously been questioned. His testimony highlighted process, chain of command, and the distinction between allegation and verified fact. Observers noted that the way these points were delivered challenged assumptions circulating outside the courtroom, emphasizing the gap between public narrative and evidentiary standards. The case has drawn national attention not only because of the individuals involved but because it touches on law enforcement credibility, public trust, and the rule of law. Every statement under oath is scrutinized for accuracy and implications. That is why the courtroom reaction to Cat Matlala's remarks was so intense that any clarification or contradiction could affect how evidence is interpreted. Legal experts caution that courtroom revelations must be considered within the framework of due process. Testimony is tested through cross-examination, documents are verified, and conclusions are reached by the court, not by headlines. The session highlighted how easily partial information can shape perception and how crucial it is for courts to systematically separate fact from inference. Reports of the court exploding refer not to chaos but to a sudden surge of reactions, objections, instructions issued, and firm reminders from the bench about decorum. Such moments are rare and often indicate that testimony has struck at the core of disputed issues. They also highlight the seriousness with which the judiciary safeguards the integrity of proceedings. Following the session, both sides appeared measured but alert. Legal representatives emphasized that testimony would be contextualized within the full body of evidence. Some welcomed the clarity offered, while others indicated they would challenge interpretations during cross-examination. This back and forth is central to the adversarial process and ensures that claims are rigorously tested. If the points raised withstand scrutiny, they could shape how certain aspects of the case are framed. At the same time, courts remind the public that no single session determines an outcome. The significance lies in how testimony aligns with documents, forensic findings, and corroborating witnesses over time. Outside the courtroom, reactions have been swift. Supporters and critics alike are dissecting snippets of information, often without full context. Analysts warn that selective interpretation can distort understanding, urging patience until the court completes its work. Transparency, they argue, comes from complete records, not isolated moments. Proceedings are expected to continue with further testimony and legal argument. The court will evaluate credibility, relevance, and consistency before drawing conclusions. As schedules progress, more clarity is likely to emerge, providing a clearer picture of the issues at stake. This courtroom moment serves as a powerful reminder of why due process matters. Claims are tested, narratives are challenged, and truth is pursued through evidence, not noise. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your thoughts respectfully in the comments as we continue to follow the case and bring you careful, up-to-date reporting.